wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best wood chips. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, there's probably no better option to pair with a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce than the char-broil tabasco. They're made from the oak barrels used to make the famous hot sauce, resulting in a very nuanced flavor unlike anything you've ever had. They come with a uniform chunk size and are intended for use in a smoker box. However, it is expensive for what you get. At number 9, a bag of Jack Daniel's smoking can help you infuse your meats with the sweet, savory aroma and flavor of the eponymous Tennessee whiskey. They're made from genuine white oak whiskey barrels and are perfect to use on thick cuts of steak. It works well in all types of smoker and provides a fairly consistent moisture, but you don't get enough for long cook times. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Cameron's Products gift set is the ideal choice when you want a variety of flavors to suit your mood on a given day. You can experiment with the different species included and create combinations specific to the cuts of meat you're preparing. It's designed for use in stovetop smokers and comes with 8 pints. However, note that it's not for regular smoke boxes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood chips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Barrel & Vines wine makes a great gift idea for both wine connoisseurs and barbecue enthusiasts. These are sourced from used American and French oak wine barrels and impart a very complex taste not found in other options. It pairs well with salmon and is suitable for gas grills, but you get too many small pieces. Moving up our list to number 6. If you have a hard time choosing just one flavor, consider the Barbecuer's Delight Variety Pack, which includes 1 bag each of apple, cherry, hickory, mesquite, pecan, and even Jack Daniel's. These pellets can be used individually or combined to make your own unique blend. No soaking is necessary and you get up to 10 uses per bag. However, they do only work in pellet hoppers. Halfway up our list at number 5. Explore the subtleties of smoking and barbecue cooking with the Western Prime Variety Pack. It comes with bags of apple, peach, maple, and cherry, so you can highlight a particular essence in any culinary creation. It also includes a smoker tray, and these are made from USA-grown trees. You get a generous amount per bag. At number 4, the Cooking Gift Set Barbecue will make an excellent surprise for your favorite grill master. It includes apple, hickory, and cherry woods, a smoker box, a packet of specialty sea salt, and step-by-step instructions that even a beginner can follow. It also includes a 4-inch stainless steel thermometer and a recipe book. It all comes packed in resealable boxes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Weber Mesquite comes in a 2-pound bag that's suitable for several cooking sessions, so you can fire up your barbecue regularly. They've been kiln dried to kill any pests and to get the right amount of moisture content for smoking. This works well with most meats and is available in 4 other species. It's especially good for beef ribs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood chips, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want to recreate authentic Central Texas brisket, you'll need to use post oak like that in Western Premium 78077. Or you can use it in a normal smoker box. It's also just the right size to use in an automatic gravity feeder. It pairs well with turkey and burns for about 20 minutes, and it produces a beautiful smoke ring. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Oklahoma Joe's Smoker Bag comes with 2 pounds of hardwood hickory, which is among the most versatile in terms of its compatibility with different foods. Thanks to its neutral smoke, it's great for anything from pork butt to beef ribs and salmon. The pieces are the ideal size and provide quite a long char time. You get enough for several sessions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood chips, or simply click beneath this video.